In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple results pages to your quiz and explain when it's better to use several pages versus one page with multiple sections. Once your quiz questions are set up and you're happy with the design, go to the Results Pages tab. Here, you'll see an option to add additional results pages. It's very easy. Simply click Add Results Page, and you can edit each page's content with different sections, product blocks, text, or headings. You can add as many results pages as you like. However, by default, only the first results page will be shown after the quiz. Why? Because the app doesn't yet know when to send users to the other pages. No logic has been applied yet. To fix this, go to the Conditional Logic tab. Here, you'll notice that the other results pages appear as floating, meaning they're not yet connected to your quiz flow. To connect them, find the last question in your quiz, usually something like the email question. Then open its Jump Logic section and start adding rules that direct users to different results pages based on their answers. For example, if the response to the skin tone question is fair, go to Results Page 1. If the response is light, go to Results Page 2. If the response is medium, go to Results Page 3. You can continue adding similar conditions to route users to any number of results pages based on their quiz choices. Now, a quick note: you don't always need multiple results pages. In many cases, it's simpler to use a single results page with multiple sections and control visibility using display logic instead. This approach is often easier to maintain and keeps all your results content in one place. For example, within one results page, you could create several sections, one for each skin tone type, and then add display logic rules like, if the response to skin tone is fair, show this section. In all other cases, hide it. You can do the same for all other sections within that page. Finally, once you've set up your logic, whether using multiple pages or one page with display rules, save your changes and preview the quiz. Check that users are being redirected to the correct results page or that the right section is being shown based on their answers. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.